Parents, the IRS owes you $2,200 for every kid under 17, and most families collect only part of it. The child tax credit just got locked in at its highest amount ever, but between a refund cap, a new Social Security rule, and a second credit almost nobody claims, billions get left behind every year. Today, what you're owed, the 3 ways parents miss money, and how to claim every dollar. The credit comes in 2 pieces. Piece 1 shrinks your tax bill, up to $2,200 per child, wiping out what you owe dollar for dollar. Piece 2 is the refundable part. If the credit is bigger than your tax bill, the IRS sends you up to $1,700 per child as a cash refund. That word, refundable, is where most of the missed money hides. Here are the 2026 numbers. $2,200 per child under 17, now permanent law. Up to $1,700 of that comes back as refundable cash. And the limits are high. Full credit up to $200,000 single, for $100,000 married. This is not just a low-income credit. 3 kids under 17? That's $6,600 on the table. Who qualifies? Kids 16 or younger on December 31st. They need a valid Social Security number. They live with you more than half the year, and you claim them as a dependent. And here's the new rule. At least one parent on the return must now have a Social Security number too. Over the income limits, the credit shrinks by $50 for every $1,000 you're over. Missed money trap number 1. The cash piece is capped at $1,700. So if your income is low and your tax bill is small, you can't collect the full $2,200. Roughly 17 million kids get less than the full credit this way. It also phases in with earned income. You need over $2,500 in earnings. Don't file a return at all. You get 0. The IRS never chases you down to pay you. Trap number 2, the part almost nobody knows. The day your kid turns 17, the $2,200 disappears, but a $500 credit for other dependents takes its place. 17-year-olds. College kids you still support. Even a parent you're caring for. $500 each, every year, and most families have never heard of it. If you stopped claiming your teenager, you left $500 sitting on the table. Claiming takes one form. File your 1040 with Schedule 8812. Tax software fills it in automatically when you add your dependents with their Social Security numbers. And never pay to file. IRS Free File covers most families online, and VITA sites, IRS certified volunteers, do your taxes free, in person. 10 minutes of paperwork for $2,200 per kid is the best hourly rate you'll ever earn. 2 warnings. By law, refunds that include the refundable child credit can't go out before mid-February. Filing early means a short wait. That's normal, not a red flag. Second, the IRS will never text, DM, or call demanding a fee to release your child tax credit. Anyone charging a percentage of your refund is a ghost preparer. Real help is free, always. Quick recap. $2,200 per kid under 17, permanent, with up to $1,700 refundable in cash. Full credit up to $200,000 income single, for $100,000 married. Kids 17 and over are still worth $500. But you must file to collect, even if you owe nothing. So how old are your kids? Drop the ages in the comments, and I'll reply with what each one is worth this year. Subscribe to Never Taught That, the money lessons school skipped. And next time, the $1,000 retirement credit that disappears forever after 2026.